What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video. So about 6 months or 7 months ago, I bought this monitor, and I had plans to use this as a DeX for DeX only with my Note 20 Ultra. And a few days later, I ended up picking up the Mac Mini, and I ended up setting the Mac Mini up with this monitor. And since then, this thing has been taken over by my wife. She uses this for her Pinterest and whatever else she uses it for. So I rarely get to use it. And so I decided I'm gonna pick up my own monitor this time. And so let's take a look at it and see what I got. All right, guys, so here is the monitor I picked up. Picked this up from Best Buy. Over to my immediate left over here, I am setting up a dedicated YouTube area in the back of my house, finally, with a desk and everything. And I will show you guys the end result of that after it's done. But we're going to take a look at the monitor and the keyboard I picked up first. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so we're back in. This is the monitor that I picked up. It's the Dell S2319NX 23-inch IPS LED FHD monitor. HDMI, VGA. It's black and silver. Right now, Best Buy has it for $89.99. Regularly, $159, 160 bucks. So I picked this up. I want to make myself a little dedicated YouTube area. I didn't want to buy big 4K monitors and all of that. I just wanted something simple to set up, a place where I can, maybe hook up one of my laptops, do some video editing, watch some videos, just have a dedicated area and a monitor for my YouTube. So here are a few of the features and details of this monitor. It's a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, 5 ms response time, 60 Hz refresh rate, 23-inch LED monitor, HDMI and VGA inputs, 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angles, and some other stuff here. I will leave this link in the description if you guys want to go and check this out. But this is the little monitor that I bought. So here's the box that it comes in. What I'm going to do is just flip this box around, let you guys see the back of it. And then I'm going to pause the video and get everything out of it and let you guys see. But I also picked up a little cheap mouse and keyboard, wireless mouse and keyboard to go along with this. Actually, it had a deal for the MK270, I think it was. They didn't have those in stock, so I ended up getting this. But it was a combo deal between that and this and the keyboard. They didn't have that one, so I just chose one just to have. I know it's not, the best out there, but this is just a little setup that I'm doing, and this will be good enough for right now. So let me go ahead, get this out of the box, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, so here's the content of the packaging. So you get part of the base here. You guys can see you have an area where you screw this piece onto that. This is part here, connects to your monitor right there. You also have your flat base. Here is screws into this part like so. And then you have your instructions manual here. You have your power cord right here. You have a HDMI. And then we also have the other port of the power cord right here. And then of course the monitor is here. And as you guys can see, this is what the back of it looks like. Right here. Hopefully you guys can see just how thick or thin it is there. And then let me get you guys to see so here are the controls. Right there, you got about 5 of them there. Here's your ports under the bottom of it here for your HDMI and your monitor, and your power plug is over here. Dell logo on the back of it, and the front, you got a little Dell branding right there, and that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead, put the base on it, let you guys see it after I have it together. All right guys, so we're back in. I have the monitor set up on the base here. The monitor looks good, man. It is a very colorful display here. I have it connected to my MacBook Air M1 over here. I have unboxed the Logitech MK270 keyboard, and here it is. Just a very budget-friendly keyboard here, wireless. You do have you have a function row here. You do have a numerical pad over here, and this is going to work out. This is tech on a budget for me. Just setting it up. Here's the mouse, Logitech mouse here, pretty nice, and this is going to work out pretty good. Like I said, I have it hooked up to a USB cable over here. The monitor does tilt, so you got different angles on this, and it really does look good, man. And I'll be using it with my MacBook Air and also my Microsoft Surface Laptop 3. But let's go ahead. Let you look at a little YouTube on this. And it's scaled right out of the box to this, so I didn't have to do anything to it. And as you guys see, big 23-inch. This is going to be great for the little area. I'm not going to have a big, huge desk, so this will be very nice. No speakers on board on this, so I will have to get some speakers. But other than that, it looks good. I've been playing around with it a little bit, and I have the sound coming through my MacBook Air. And I did hook it up to my Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 as well. So here it is. So great colors for a budget monitor, man. For 89 bucks, you really can't beat it. I haven't adjusted the colors or anything. This is just straight out of the box, and it looks good. Minimal bezels, and so far I'm pretty pleased with this. It's gonna be great. So when I get ready to show you guys my setup, I'm gonna like it. So all right guys, so that is a look at the Dell 23-inch monitor and the Logitech MK270 keyboard with mouse. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, I'm out.